In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Pocket Option dashboard and explore the loyalty program features. Whether you're a beginner on this platform or looking to unlock new benefits, understanding these options will greatly enhance your trading experience. To get started first, make sure that you're logged into your Pocket Option account. Now direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a small picture or icon that represents your profile. Clicking on this will enable you to access a variety of personalized settings and information specific to your account. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Profile. Clicking this will bring you to a dedicated section where all of your personal details and account settings are housed. From managing basic account preferences to accessing detailed information about your trading activities, the Profile section is your go-to place for customization and updates. Now, within the Profile area, you'll find a specific category labeled Loyalty Program. Click on this option to delve into one of the most exciting features of Pocket Option, the Loyalty Program. This program offers various levels, and it's designed to reward you based on your total deposits over time. Once you're in the Loyalty Program section, take a moment to explore the different levels and the unique advantages each one offers. For example, as you begin your journey, you might start at the beginner level. As you continue to deposit and grow your account, you'll have the opportunity to progress through stages such as Master, Guru, and ultimately VIP. Each level comes with its own set of benefits, enhancing your trading capacity and the resources available to you. For instance, higher levels may offer perks like better cashbacks, exclusive promotions, or personalized support, helping you make the most out of your trading endeavors. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully navigated the Pocket Option dashboard to explore all the offerings of the loyalty program. With this knowledge, you can now make informed decisions about how to strategically grow your account and fully capitalize on the resources available to you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks as you continue to refine your trading skills. Thanks for watching and happy trading!